As your Power BI report grows, keeping track of all your measures can quickly become a mess. Scattered across different tables, they can be hard to find and even harder to manage. That's why creating a dedicated measures table is a simple but a powerful habit that can make your data model cleaner, more organized, and efficient to manage. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a measures table, why it's useful, and a few pro tips to keep your reports tidy and efficient as they scale. Let's get into it. Here are some tables that I have, and I'm about to create a few measures. I also have one measure created already called total sales. Right now, it is sitting in the categories table. I want to have all my measures in a single table. It is fairly easy to do that. I'll go to the home menu and click on enter data. The create table dialog box appears, and all I will do is change the name of the table. I will call it as measures table and press load. You will see that a table called measures table is now visible. Now, if I have to create a measure, I can select the table and create a new measure. Select the new measures table, click on new measure. I will create a measure to get a count of all the orders. And the new measure appears in the measure table. In addition to this new measure, we can see column 1. Since we now have a measure in this table, we can delete the column 1. And as we do that, this measures table goes right at the top, making it easy for us to look for our measures. Now you would recall that we already have a measure total sales outside this measure table. To move that, we'll go to the model view, click on the measure total sales, and in the home table, select measures table. That's it. You'll see total sales is now in the measures table. An easy solution for you to stay organized, especially when you expect to create many measures for your dashboard. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with questions or topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Analytics Success. Here you'll find videos on Excel, Power BI, and data analytics. Thanks for watching.